Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. In today's video, I will be doing a review on the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I actually did an eyeshadow look on with this palette a while ago, but I just didn't like how the video ended up coming out, so I just decided to do a whole new one for you guys. So I've already primed my eyelids and set them. So I'm just gonna go straight on in, you know. But if you're new here, please subscribe and like my videos to everybody, not only if you're new. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with a Sephora eyeshadow. This is just like a blending brush. It's plain, I believe. So I'm gonna go in with the color Dusty Rose, this color right here. I'm gonna take that color and go all over. I'm even gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna try a little something to see how that works out. Let me take off this. Okay, so let me tell you guys just a little bit about the palette as I'm going, you know, through. This palette is $42. It came out about like a month ago. The reason why I'm just recording another video is because, like I mentioned before, I was having surgery. I got surgery and I had all these pre-made videos for you guys. But this video will be going up tomorrow. So this eyeshadow palette is $42. And the quality is good. Like, since I've recorded a video already with this eyeshadow palette, all I can say is that these eyeshadows blend really, really well. The one eyeshadow that I had like a little problem with was Cypress Umber. That color to me just didn't blend out as well. Like on my previous video, like it just didn't really turn out as good. Like you could, I don't know, it was hard to blend out. That was just the only color that I had a problem with. Other than that, all these other eyeshadows were pretty good. Okay, so now that I have that there, I'm going to go in with Mulberry, and I'm going to put Mulberry in my crease. Like, I'm going to leave it right on my crease and just like a tiny little bit more up. I'm not going to bring it down. I'm going to try to leave that area clean. I'm going to go in with this Morphe Y19 brush. Jasper, what are you doing, Bubba? So I'm gonna quickly just take some on the tip, just like that. And this is the color that I'm using. Right there. And it is called Mulberry. That one, right there. It's a beautiful color. Okay, so I do have to say that there is a good amount of fallout. Just look at the color. Like, you know, I don't know if you guys are actually going to be able to tell, but you see that it's, you know, it's all over the place. Like, all I have to do is just like, you know, blow on it and all the powder would just like go everywhere. Okay, so now that I've deepened my crease up, I'm going to go back in with that same brush that we used before, and I'm going to go in back with that same color, the first color that I used, Dusty Rose, and I'm just going to go right on, like, you know, up from it. Like, I'm going to go just a little bit above that second color we put, Mulberry, just so the colors blend in together, and we also have a little bit more of Dusty Rose up top. So we're going to use the color Sultry, which is this color right here. It is gorgeous, this one right there. Let me show you guys like a little swatch. That was just me gently putting my fingers in there. So I'm going to take Sultry on this Morphe Y18 brush, and I'm going to put it on the center of my lid, like, you know, all over my lid. Okay, so now that I've placed Sultry all over my eyelid, I'm gonna go back in with Mulberry and just kind of blend out. If you guys hear any noises, it's my dog. What's wrong, baby? Okay, so that was my dog. He wanted to leave. So I'm gonna go back with Mulberry. That's with that same brush that we used previously. And kind of just, you know, blend everything in. Okay, so now that I have that there, I'm gonna go in with, what color should we go in with? Let's go in with, I don't know, I kind of want to use like as much colors as I can, but I also want to make this look, you know, wearable. So that was only, you know, 3 colors. But like I said, these 3 colors, they blended out so good. My only really problem was Cypress Umber, but let's use that color again. Let's try to, maybe I just wasn't using it right. I'm gonna just like, you know, gently use it. So I'm gonna go with Cypress Umber, which is this color right here, and I believe this is a repeated color. It has been used in other eyeshadow palettes before. So yeah, so I'm gonna take it on the outer, you know, part right here with this Y20 brush. So there's not really much else that I can do, you know, many more colors to put, at least not on the lid. So I am gonna, you know, finish my face off of camera and kind of smoke out my lower lid with it. So I guess I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my face done, I'm gonna move on to my lower lids. Yeah, I guess that's what it's called. I'm gonna take the flat side at the end that looks like this, and I'm just gonna go in and kind of like, you know, put some shadow right underneath my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take the color Mulberry. Actually, first let's take Sienna. Sienna is this color right here, this one. I just dipped my finger in there. So I'm gonna take that color and I'm gonna put that color everywhere, all under the whole entire lid. Okay, so now that I kind of have that there, I'm gonna take Mulberry, which was that color that we used, the second color that we used on our eyes, that color right there, and I'm gonna take that same brush but on the other side and just kind of tap it in and put this color mainly, I'm gonna put it like right on the waterline and like, you know, very, I'm gonna tighten it up. Oops, I just put like a whole bunch of eyeshadow on my eyes. Okay, and now with this very small brush, I'm gonna take Nori, which is this color right here, or Nor. This is black, and I'm gonna take this on the very tip, and this is on the Y22, and I'm just gonna go right in. I'm gonna try not to bring that color down too much. I'm gonna put mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I just put lipstick on, and I used some Marc Jacobs lipsticks in the shade Slow Burn 246. So the reason why I decided to go so light on the lips was because, like, you know, we already have a dramatic eye, so let's go light on the lips. I decided not to put on false lashes and just put on mascara, just because I didn't want, you know, to take attention away from the eyes. So you guys could potentially also use this look for a prom, you know, depending on what color your dress is and all. But I will be doing a couple prom looks, so if you guys want, you guys can, like, you know, comment down below what color dresses, you know, you would use, so I can, you know, work around that. So I can give you guys like a look of what color dress, you know, or what color like eyeshadow, you know, you could do with an orange dress or like a pink dress or a white dress, you know. So just comment down ideas below, and thank you guys so much for watching. But actually, before I get to that, let me just let you guys know that these colors are beautiful. They do blend in, they do blend well. Like I said before, my only real issue was with the shade Cypress Umber, but other than that, I really did like, you know, the eyeshadows. So let me show you guys swatched on my hands. I have Sultry. Actually, no, this is Rose Pink, I believe. Yeah, this is Rose Pink right here. Right there, Rose Pink. This is Mulberry right there. This is Sultry right there, and that is Bronze. And this is Fairy. This right here, this last color is Fairy. Where is it? Right there. This last color is Fairy. I'm going to swatch some more on my other hand just to let you guys see the colors as well. Okay, so this right here is Sienna. Sienna, the first color. Then the second color is Cypress Umber. No, the second color is Rustic. Sorry about that. Rustic. The third color is Cypress Umber. The fourth color is Dusty Rose. And the fifth color is Burnt Orange. Like I said, my only complaint was with Cypress Umber. That was the only color that, to me, it didn't blend out as well. So that's the only real complaint I have about this eyeshadow palette. Other than that, oh well, as well as that it has a good amount of fallout. But like, to me, the fallout really doesn't matter because I've never finished an eyeshadow palette. Like, I've never really hit pan on an eyeshadow palette. So it's like I have so many that I don't really mind, you know, losing a little color, like a little, you know, I don't know. It's just not really that big of a deal to me, but that's me personally. You know, you may have your own different preferences. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.